Hey, John Crestani here, internet marketer, affiliate marketer, tech entrepreneur. I'm gonna be showing you in this lesson how to start a lead generation business. I'll be showing you not only how to determine which industry you get in to generate leads for, I'll be showing you how to get clients, and I'll be going over how to get leads for your clients so you can start making the money. And I'll even give you some tips and I'll spice in some softwares in there that'll help you automate everything and make your life easy. Let's get into it. I have a lot of experience in this space. I've been doing this for years. I'm excited to share the information with you. Hey, John Crestani here, and first off, let me define what a lead generation business is. Now, most business is not done by products being bought over the internet. Most business is actually done through conversations on the telephone. Think about your health insurance, think about your auto insurance, think about your life insurance, think about your home, or that's an in-person conversation. Think about your mortgage, think about your investments. All of these businesses require leads. All of these businesses require somebody to talk to somebody else. And that is lead generation. It accounts for trillions of dollars of spend annually. And starting a lead generation business allows you to tap into that trillions of dollars of spend that happens annually. And you can get yourself right in the middle. There's all this money flying around, and you can just reach up your hand and pluck a few out. Just insert yourself in the middle. And that's what a lead generation business is. Now, this image right here, what it shows is a computer, limo service leads, and limo service providers, right? So you're just sticking yourself in the middle. Now, a few different industries that do lead generation, and lead generation is when you fill out a contact form online. Just think anytime you fill out a contact form or you give your email away, you've become a lead, okay? Look in your email inbox. How many people email you? How much junk email do you get? That means you put in your email a lot of times. You became a lead for a lot of companies, and that's lead generation right there. So different industries offer different amounts of money for a lead. So an example would be education. Okay, we have education right here. Now, once again, education, trillion-dollar industry, works through phone calls, admissions, in-person meetings, etc. And there's a lot of money in it. A lead is worth about $25 to $50. If you are able to find somebody online who is interested in going to school, if you're able to connect somebody interested in going to school with a school that is looking for students, you can earn $50 very easily. Another example is travel and tourism. If you're able to get people signed up, people that are interested in going on a nice dining excursion or a cruise ship or something like that, if you can generate leads for a cruise ship, that's $50 right there, okay? Another example is information technology and services. Internet companies like mine, I employ about 10 different ad agencies, right? I work with developers, I work with video editors, I work with all sorts of stuff. And those companies are looking to get connected with people like me who hire them. I spend $50,000 to $100,000 a month on service providers, okay, in my business. Now, those companies are looking to be connected with people like me because I'm hiring them. And they'll pay good money to be connected with other business owners that are looking for those services. And another example, which you can make a ton of money in, is financial services. If you can connect individuals who are looking to invest their money, maybe individuals who are looking to save on taxes, individuals who are looking to get out of debt, individuals who are looking to get a new credit card, individuals who are looking to get some auto insurance, individuals who are looking to get a mortgage or refinance their house, any sort of number of things in this area of financial services. If you're able to connect those people with companies that are looking for more customers, you can earn $50 to $100. There's a lot of money in that. There's a lot of people looking to invest, looking to refinance their mortgage, looking to buy a new home, etc. So there's a lot of money. There's a lot of customers. There's a lot of people looking for these things. There's a lot of companies looking for new customers. And you can put yourself in the middle and make a lot of money. So determine the industry you're going to work in. Determine your industry. Now, I hear people say, do what you love, but I would work with an industry that you like. If I did what I love, I'd be high as a kite, like kite surfing, like on the ocean, and I'd go home and make love to my wife. And I'd be play with my daughters afterwards. That's what, if I did what I love, that's what I'd be doing. That doesn't really pay pay the bills though, right, folks? So, I hear all these gurus talking about do what you love. Doing what you love doesn't necessarily make money. Do what you like, okay? If you like one of these sections more than the other, maybe you like financial services, maybe you like education, maybe you like healthcare, do something that you like. Don't do stuff that you hate, okay? So I don't know if my tagline is gonna catch on. Do stuff you like, but not necessarily what you love. I don't know, that could be one of my taglines. But the next step is you need to get clients. Once you've determined your industry, let's say we're gonna get leads for lawyers, okay? That's a good niche. Lawyers, I love lawyers. They have a lot of money. They make a lot of money. The best thing I've found, give them a free trial, okay? Give them a free trial. Give them a few for free. Connect them with a few prospects for free. And then you turn the spigot off. And if they want more, then they pay you the money. So that's a good way to get clients. Free trial works very good. And if you want, you might be asking, how do I get clients for free? On my channel, I teach free marketing methods, free traffic methods, and I suggest you check out all the videos in the free traffic methods playlist, because traffic is easy. A lot of people think getting people to go to websites is hard. That's the easy part. That's the easy part. My websites get over 2 million visits a month because traffic's easy for me. And traffic can be easy and leads can be easy for your clients. You can do it for free. So give them some free and then start charging them. Great model. Easy pitch, because you're asking a person to give them something for free. They can't refuse. And the last step is, how do you actually get them the leads? How do you get those leads that you're going to be offering your clients for free? And that, once again, check out my free traffic method playlist, but I'll give you a summary. Facebook, you can put up posts on Facebook. You can utilize Facebook groups. If, let's say, for instance, a personal injury lawyer in Florida is looking for people who have been injured at work, you can look on Google or Facebook and look for the hashtag, hurt or hurting, right? Hashtag hurt or something like that. You can find people, okay? Another great place is LinkedIn. You can find prospects for different industries. Another great place is Instagram. Once again, you can search by hashtag. You can find people on Google. You can find bloggers on YouTube channels. A good example of this would be if there is a YouTube channel which is what to do in the event of a cut, how to heal a wound, right? You could comment on that YouTube video and say, if you were hurt by a hammer, then contact this lawyer and he'll make sure you get money. Okay, there's all sorts of ways you can get leads. So you can use all the different social networks to get leads and more. And again, you can learn how to do that in my free traffic playlist. Now, if you don't want to deal with getting clients, you can always do what I do, which is called affiliate marketing, which means you're working through affiliate networks and they'll take a little cut of whatever you make, but they got the deal. They make a little cut. They make about 20 to 25% for finding the clients, but you make the rest. And the affiliate networks that I recommend are A4D. That's for lead generation. A4D used to stand for ads for dough. You can find a link for A4D in the description, in the links in the description if you want to join that network. And just say you came from John Crestani, and you can find a lot of lead generation campaigns. You can find companies that are looking solar panel leads, funeral leads, life insurance leads, health insurance leads, Medicare leads, all sorts of things, investment leads. All sorts of companies are looking for people like you to work with them that can get traffic, that can market them and get interested customers. And you can make a lot of money doing this. So you don't actually have to even get the clients yourself. Getting the clients yourself, you make a little bit more, but you don't have to. You can do what I do, which is called affiliate marketing. Now, once again, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check out one of my other videos about affiliate marketing. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you just love marketing, okay? I love marketing. I love the power of marketing. It's like being a wizard, right? You can talk to millions of people at a time potentially. So try it out, check out my channel, subscribe, and also join our communities. We have a bunch of different communities. We have a Discord chat channel, we have a Facebook group, and we also have a subreddit where if you'd like to meet people and ask questions and learn more, you can do that there. Don't ask me questions. I get like 2,000 questions a day, folks. So I get and a lot of them are like, John, can you give me money? And John, can you mentor me for free? And it's like, I don't know who the heck you are. I'm not going to mentor you for free. I'm going to hang out with my wife and kids when I have free time, frankly, play video games or something. So I hope that helps. Looking forward to see you as a regular on my channel. Talk soon.
Did you like this presentation? Sure you did. I have 7 more stuff you will love. Here are they are my sure ways of making money. How to make affiliate money without classic forms of marketing. How to make affiliate money without email list, website, Shopify, etc. How to leverage the secret of ClickBank Millionaire. How to make 100% daily passive income with absolutely no work, investment with daily ROI. How to get free YouTube and Google traffic. How to save your financial future with stocks. How to do network marketing on the internet. Click the link in the description to learn all these and more.